Today I'm doing an unboxing of Kozlo's Metal Detective Lab, part number 1899. This is the Kozlo Deluxe Alloy Identification Kit. And as you can see, it's quite comprehensive. There's a lot of little solutions, but don't be afraid. Just check out the instruction manual. It'll explain how exactly to use each solution. This kit is used for identification of the 200 series, 300 series, the 400 series, stainless steels, common steels, tool steels, sulfurized steels, low alloy steels, 316 stainless, aluminum alloys, brasses, bronzes, as well as platings and coatings. You may recognize the Electrospot Model 5. We've been supplying this for a really long time. It has 4 settings: off, medium, low, and high. And it also has a milliamp meter built into it, as well as a timer, which is helpful for some of these tests to be more accurate with how much time is being used for the Electrospot process. Inside the box are test papers. And the color reaction of each kit takes place on the paper, not on the metal itself. So this is 0100, 0200 passy pads. This box contains both the sulfur paper and the fiber test sheets. Also, there's 3 sets of leads, and the leads work in combination with the Electrospot Model 5. There's an aluminum cylinder, a copper cylinder, and an alligator clip. Also, 3 medicine droppers. These droppers are used for the bottles that don't have a dropping nipple on them, so they work with the amber glass bottles. Also, 3 vials, and this is one of the best parts of the kit. This is the Metal Standards collection. Each metal standard has identification on it. For example, this is Incaloy 625. Here's CDA 614, B3. So these are common industrial alloys that are really, it's an excellent companion to go along with this test kit. You can practice doing your tests on these standards before you test metals that are very important to your operation. So it ensures that the solutions are still working, as well as technique. Very good for training purposes, and most important, as comparisons. A comparison between these metals compared to unknown metals that you really wish to identify. This is a flash drive, and it has the technical data about the 1900 Metal Standards collection. It's the mil specs. Some people really want that. To learn more, and there's more demonstrations on how to use each individual solution on Kozlo Scientific's YouTube page. Thank you for watching.